Hey, baby. My name Barney Greenville. I don't understand why I'm on this website, but eHarmony, they ain't hook a brother up, because I'm sexy. I'm too sexy for eHarmony. I'm looking for a woman who knows how to get bit. I'm a mobile home exotic dancer. So you want to be something in a trailer park, I got you, baby. I got you. Mobile home, I can drop it like a hot. So I'm looking for me a chick like Halle Berry. Cause she know I'm sexy. I'm just really sexy. Don't make me flex. You see where I'm going? It's Barney Greenville. I drop it like it's hot. Oh, I drop it like it's hot. Cause Barney Greenville, exotic dancer from the mobile home. Oh, I be doing it good right here. Oh, I be shaking the back. Oh, I be dropping it like a hot. You don't know what Barney Greenville. So Beyonce, hit me up in here on takewhatyoget.com, cause if you take it, this is what you get. Barney Greenville. Call Halle Berry if you know. If you late, Derek Jeter girlfriend, don't care. Barney Greenville. Remember the name. Greenville. My teeth is white, but it's Greenville. Ooh, see a picture like this here. Oh, dropping like it's hot, you know what I'm saying? So, as I said, Barney Greenville.